Hello everyone. I welcome back with my new project, which is a spaceship continuation, the modular spaceship. Here you can see this is the number 7. Okay. This is a continuation process. As you can see here, the modular spaceship. As always, here is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 variant, and these variants are actually use of this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 components, like the head, as you can see here, and the body extension part, body parts, okay, engine part, okay. So like you can see here, this is the engine part, okay. This is the covering engine. So it's like kind of like a Lego set, and obviously I'm making this one. And the interesting part is this one is like a copper kind of, or you can say is a goldy substance or element there, like in the spaceship or in the space. Gold is a vital element, so it's like it's also a component there. So as you can see here, this is the extension part here. You can use it according to your needs. So this is, I just made 5 examples of this, and you just arrange it according to your needs or your position, no problem. You can go beyond this 5 variant. Okay, so I think the materials and all the components are working like it should be. And this is the first part from the substance, and I will continue again with the Unity, and the final one is Unreal. That's the flow. So I think you are enjoying this project, and please stay with me and enjoy the my new creation. Thank you. This is the first part done, and I will be come back with the Unity one, Unity HDRP. Thank you very much. Hi guys, this is from the Unity HDRP. As you can see, the spaceship is fully ready. So you can see here the high definition render pipeline. So yeah, as always, I use the spaceship atmosphere, just a cube map. Okay, and as always, if you follow my video, you can find the similarities, like I use the modular, this is the materials. Okay, by the way, these are the materials, as you can see here. So they are with the base map, mask map, and normal, and also the emissive. And you can find here the 7fpx. This is the actual fpx file, and also the prefab and the texture. Okay, where is the texture? Yeah, all the textures are 4K for 4096. Okay, and it come up with the mask map and the normal, obviously. And here is also comes with the prefab. Let's say, where is the prefab? Okay, texture. Okay, yeah, here is the prefab. So 5 spaceship, 5 prefab. Okay, as you can see, you can drag and drop a new spaceship into the screen. Okay, this is a pre-made spaceship. You can modify it, you whatever you can do. You can grab this chunk, and you can extend. So they are kind of like modular Lego. Okay, so as always, this one also you can see, and this one also. Okay, So the interesting part is like this metal part, you know, the shyness. I love the shyness and all these things. Okay. And you have also, rather than this, you have also the modular parts also, like prefab and the textures. Okay. Yeah, this is the modular parts, like this one. Okay, and this one, and this is the engine part itself, you see, and this is the head part. Okay, so you have the freedom, actually, whatever you're gonna do, you're gonna change that, and you're gonna, you know, what you can do. This is absolutely your freedom. And I use post processing for this one, to have this, to achieve this look. You can see it from the bottom side. You see some sort of god ray effect is there, and light beaming. Okay, and you see from the back side also, you can see it from this. And yeah, it's looking quite okay, I think. The materials and all the shyness and everything is working properly. Okay, you see the reflection and the shyness, quite nice. I mean this goldy effect is quite nice. So yeah, you can grab any one of them and just like use it in your project. So this is from the Unity, guys. This is the second part. I will come back again with the third part, which is the Unreal Engine. So I hope you enjoy. And if you need anything, just tell me, and just kind of like, you can DM me, or you can send me some messages, no problem. So okay, I will see you in part 3. Thank you very much. Okay, guys, this is part 3 of the Spaceship 7 scene. As you can see, I just create the same environment or a space atmosphere. And this is with Unity, sorry, Unreal 5.3, as you can see here. And this one is also coming with the FBX file, the actual FBX file. uh, okay, actual FBX file, and then the texture are all 4K. Okay, and also the materials there. So you can see, if you click on there, this is the material setup. This is the material setup. Okay, this is come with the combined map of ambient occlusion, roughness, and metallic, and also the base map, and normal map, and also the emissive. Okay, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, that just like the Unity. And also, if you have the this one with the F11 or a full view, you can see here I use a bit of post processing. Okay, so as you can see here, the light and shadow, and kind of try to create the spaceship environment. As you can see here, the lights and all the materials are working properly. As you can see, this is from the back side, and that is from this side. Okay, and shining is working quite okay. As you can see, the shyness. Okay, and yeah, so this is the complete project from the Unreal. Also, you can use this asset, I mean, directly import in your project. Look at the emissive part. Emissive lights are working quite okay. And from the bottom side, yeah, it's looking quite okay. Yeah, yeah. um, from the back side, okay. And here is from the front side. Okay, guys. So this concludes actually the Spaceship 7 modular parts. You can always, you have the freedom to, you know, customize this one. And you have, if you're gonna see the okay, uh, proper view. So you have this fpx file, and also you have this material and texture assigned. So you just need to import it and in your projects and use it. No problem. You have the materials. So guys, thank you for keep watching, and hope I will come again with a new project. Thank you very much.